people have been asking me, how did IPOB come about? How did it originate? You will get the origin of IPOB from this book. When you read this book, you will see it. Just read this book. You will see the origin of IPOB, how the name Indigenous People of Biafra was coined, how it was created. You will understand it here. Now, when, of course, everything, every invention on earth is made by somebody. So if I say I invented it, it's not a pride. It's not a thing of pride, because everything is invented by somebody. The microphone you use, invented by somebody. The telephone you use, invented by somebody. The light we use, invented by somebody. Somebody must invent something. I invented that too. I have also invented other things, even for the benefit of the country. The formula for the current petroleum industry bill, currently before the National Assembly, was created by me. The formula